do a quick video here before it gets any darker. My new Gator EFX hard folding bed cover on a 2020 Silverado 2500. As you can see, it's very low profile, just barely sticks up over the bed rails at all. It's quite secure. It's actually a kind of a triple edged. Show you here. Triple edge weather stripping right here at the tailgate. It opens on either side with these cables. And you can fold it once, and again you see the cables are under here, and twice, and that's as far as up as you can flip it. You can take the cover off by unscrewing 4 connecting pieces. You can drive like this by clipping this into here, and I only had to use one of the spacers under the bed rails. If you notice in the instructions it says 3, I believe, but you only have to use one in the center area where these brackets are on each side. When you read the directions, you'll know what I'm talking about. So don't bother with a 2020 truck trying to put them in the back or the front areas, because you don't need them. The drain tubes for the 2020 Silverados, there is already a hole. It just has a plastic cap over the hole in each side of the front of the bed, and that tube you see on each side comes with the bed cover kit, and you just plug it into the end of the rail. See these bed cover rails? There's a channel, and the water will run forward or backwards and out the front or back, and of course it will just drain out into the back, and that's probably the only place you're going to get leaks. You can put a tailgate seal in here if you need it or want it. I don't really care, but definitely the front looks good and dry. I don't think I'm going to get any water at all up in there, which is very cool. And this does seem pretty secure. It would take quite a bit to pry through that. I guess my one disappointment with this whole cover is probably the fact that these hinges are plastic. So I don't know how that'll hold up over time. And I guess one other concern that you'd have with all these type of bed covers would be cracking from the sun exposure of these vinyl or rubber covers. But anyway, I think it's one of the cheaper ones on the market, and it's really sleek, super easy to install. This is a real good video, or a couple of them. If you follow the instructions for the 2019 1500 Silverados, they're exactly the same instructions for the 2020 heavy duty 2500s like this one. So hope this helps somebody.